Welcome to Module 4 of ImagineBizAI. In this module, we're talking about customer service automation, how to use AI to answer questions instantly, follow up automatically, and never miss a customer again. No tech skills required. Let's get into it. Here's the reality for most small business owners right now. 89% of customers leave after just one bad service experience. 60% expect a reply within the hour. $75 billion is lost every year to poor customer service. And 68% of the customers who leave never tell you why. They just go. AI can handle all of this automatically 24/7 while you focus on running your business. We're keeping this simple. 2 tools only. Tidio, an AI chatbot that answers your customers around the clock. Zapier, the automation engine that connects your apps. We'll walk through exactly how each one works. Let's start with Workflow 1, the one that delivers the most immediate relief for most businesses. Here's the situation without AI. A customer visits your website at 9 p.m. and asks a question. They wait until morning. Frustration builds. Meanwhile, you arrive the next day and spend the first 2 hours answering the same FAQ questions you answered last week. Over and over. Here's what happens with Tidio instead. A customer sends a message on your website or Facebook. Tidio reads it instantly and matches it against your FAQ library. A personalized reply goes back in seconds. 0 wait time. And if it can't resolve the question, Tidio creates a support ticket and notifies you by email. You didn't touch it. Your customer didn't have to wait. Workflow 2 is about your inbox and stopping it from running your day. Think about the emails you receive every single week. Pricing questions. Business hours. Order status. Here's how the Zap works. Zapier watches a dedicated support inbox, something like support@yourbusiness.com, for new emails containing keywords like pricing, hours, or order in the subject. When one arrives, Zapier sends a single auto-reply from your Gmail account using the response text you've written directly in the Zap step. One reply goes out for all matching emails, so write it to cover all your common topics in one message. If you want separate replies for each topic, just set up a separate 2-step Zap for each keyword. Still free plan compatible. Workflow 3 addresses the most repetitive customer service question in any product business. Where is my order? Right now, you stop what you're doing, look it up, copy the tracking number, paste it into a reply, send it. 10 times a week. With this Zap, the moment an order ships, Zapier fires automatically. Tracking email goes to the customer via Gmail. Slack alert comes to you. 0 manual work. One cost note. This needs a paid Zapier plan from around $20 a month because it uses 3 action steps. For most product businesses, it pays for itself in week 1. 2 steps to get your first AI customer service tool running this week. Step 1. Go to Tidio.com. Free account. Widget on your site in 10 minutes. Set up a few automated responses for your most common questions. Done. Step 2. Go to Zapier.com. Free plan gives you 100 tasks a month with 2-step Zaps. 1 trigger plus 1 action. Search Gmail Auto Reply and the template is already there. For order updates with Shopify or Slack alerts, you'll need the paid plan at around $20 to $30 a month. So here's your action step for this week. Set up 1 AI customer service tool. Just 1. A chatbot. An auto-reply Zap. An order update automation. Pick whichever one would save you the most time right now. If you found this useful, please subscribe to the channel. We've got more deep dive modules coming, covering additional AI tools and showing you exactly how to set them up in real business situations, step by step. No tech experience needed. Follow us on social media at ImagineBizAI on YouTube, LinkedIn, and Instagram. We share tips and tools there regularly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next module.